If Allah is telling you Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim right at the beginning of the Quran, the second verse, the first one says Alhamdulillah, all praise is due to Allah who's Lord of the worlds. But guess who He is? He is Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. He is the most beneficent, the most merciful. And you know who else He is? He is the owner of the day of judgment. He will judge me, not you, and not that guy, and not those people, and not the comments online, and nothing else. It's Allah who will judge me. Hence He says Maliki Yawmiddin. He is the owner of the day when judgment shall be happening. Allah, don't be let down. Don't be let down by what people say. Their judgmental statements mean nothing. And that's why immediately after that we say Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. You alone we worship, you alone we seek help from.